Okay, listen. So let me give you one small question. Okay, listen. When I open this drawing, okay, we're talking about layers. Now we're still talking about layers. Okay, you know how to create layers, how to off, isn't it? Change the color, whatever, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Now my question is, when I open this drawing, I got this kick in the sense this became too crowded, or let's say too complicated. Everything is not for me. Let's suppose. Okay, just give me an example. My scope of work for this case is just architectural. Just give me an example. Or let's give it another way. For this example, for this drawing, okay, let's say I'm going to give you one drawing. Let's say object called isolation. This drawing, this name, okay, this object isolation drawing. I send it to you by email. Any comments? I sent it by email, okay, and you downloaded it and kept it in your desktop. Just give me an example, okay. Now, when you open this drawing, most, let's say 90% of the job is not yours. Your job is only the mechanical job. Mechanical, let's say mechanical layer. All objects on mechanical layer is under your responsibility. Isn't it? Your scope of work. Any comments?
Yes.
But when I open this drawing, I saw everything. I got, this became too complicated. Simply stress for no reason. First impression, isn't it?
Yes.
I think I always tell my students, isn't it? I also told you also before, what you should play with AutoCAD. AutoCAD should not play with you. I think when you open this drawing, you got stress. At least when I saw it first, it became, this is too complicated. But this is real life example, isn't it? After I open, I have to start filtering. One method would be, as I taught you before. This is good method, okay, what I have taught you. It's a good method. Go to mechanical, M. Everything under M is yours. So this much is yours, isn't it? Isn't it? Shift, just right click, invert selection. Where is invert selection? This, and off it, and say turn them off. Okay, and let's make one of them layer high, current. So this is mechanical scope of work, isn't it? The duct, whatever, isn't it? Plumbing, whatever. Is this clear? Would it be nice if when I opened, I could only see this?
Yes, it would be.
It would be better, it would be human work to go. I won't say human, it would be baby alien work to come, click layer properties, then click invert selection, isn't it? And then click no or yes, and then come back. Would it be nice if before I open this drawing itself, AutoCAD gave me list of all the layers? John, which one you want, you select, which one you don't want, you don't select, and it will be there. But it would be nice?
Yes, it will be.
It will be nice, isn't it? And I teach you how to do it. Listen. Now let's suppose I just close this drawing, okay? I just close this drawing. I'm just closing. I'm not saving anything, isn't it? And let's show you how to do it. Okay, listen. Let me just close everything. Okay, you know how to open a drawing, isn't it? Go a big A. Can you see open? Open, click drawing, isn't it? This is the drawing which will be open. Can you see this picture here? Preview, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. See, what do many people, let's say, what do humans do, or let's say, what do sheep or people? They directly click open. Okay, this is what they do. Okay, I would recommend don't do it. Why? Because we are aliens. Can you see this small arrow here? This one here.
Which
One second. Can you see this small arrow here? Here.
Yes.
Yeah. Click this arrow. Before you click open, click this arrow. Can you see partial open? Third option.
Yes, I can.
Yeah. Click partial open. Okay. When you click partial open, you see behind nothing, empty drawing. Okay. He asks you which all layers you want. Let's say let's say I'm using electrical. Give me an example. Okay. Electrical have a lot of drawings here. Let's say a lot of objects here. Okay. Let's say this much is mine. Click, press shift. Is this clear? So much. Okay.
Yes, it is, but I think you have to repeat one more time.
I will. Okay. Click open. No kinder surprise. This is my scope of work. This I play only with this. Okay. You see all these layers are still there, but only which I want has on. Can you see this? Isn't it? Let me just show it again. Listen. listen. How do we, this is called human work, isn't it? Listen. My aim now, when I open a drawing, any drawing whichever I open, okay, I don't want to see all the layers. When I open the drawing, after I hide, I don't want to do that. Okay, this is called actually alien trick, partial open. Click application menu, click open, click drawing. Can you see drawing? First thing, drawing.
Yes.
This is like normal drawing. Okay, instead of clicking open directly, can you see your open? Down here.
Yes. Where?
Are you sure?
With that arrow. Yes.
Don't click open. Click this arrow.
Okay.
This guy. This arrow. Okay. Click him. You will get one small option. Do you want to open? Do you want to reopen? Read only. Partial open. Click partial open. Can you see here? Partial open.
Okay.
Third option.
Yes.
When I click partial open, okay, see this drawing behind, okay, this is preview. Let me just give you example. I clicked open. I'm just giving you example, okay. Let me just click, I click open. This is not what I want to teach you, but I say, assume that you click open. Okay, just a second, cancel. Yeah, okay. You see, everything, all the layers showed up. This is called stress. No use, useless.
Yes.
Okay, so what I would do is, I would go click file, open, drawing. Instead of clicking open, I click this small arrow. This small, can you see? Open. Third option, I click partial open.
Okay.
That time AutoCAD will ask you, Habibi, which layers you want to see. We want to see first. See, behind nothing is there. That's why I'm moving the thing to see nothing is behind. Okay?
Yes.
Let's suppose I said, sorry? Go ahead.
Example doors.
Yeah, where is doors? Yeah, this one. I just want to see doors. If I click doors, it will only show me doors. I say open. It will only show doors. Okay. I would recommend you click a couple of them, so you have something which you could, your scope of work. Let's say partial open. Let's go to your firefighting. F is there? No. Mechanical. Plumb. I think I put it in mechanical. Have I not drawn firefighting for this? No, I have not done. Okay, yes, I think you got the example, isn't it? Let's say electrical, power. You see the names, that's why I kept E. E means electrical, isn't it?
Yes.
I click check, click open. You have your Kinder Surprise open, isn't it? This is better than what we opened before, isn't it?
Yes.
I hope the concept of layers and this partial open is also clear.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, now let me just close this and we move forward to blocks. Okay, I think layer clear. Layers concept is clear.
So first trick is that I have to go on that palette, layers property, then that bulb symbol.
Yeah, that what is that? That is used if I want, for example, okay, this drawing is here, isn't it? This, let's say this is a drawing, isn't it? I don't want to see everything. I don't want to see example. Now you ask me. Now I ask you one question. Good question. I ask you one question. Simple question. This object. Can you see this number 3?
Yes.
How I know which layer is it? Or this object which is here, yellow color. Which layer is it? Or this purple stuff. Which layer it is in? How you know? I tell you how you know. Okay, listen, one option would be select the object, just select once, left click once, okay, and then you will see the name here, part. Can you see here on top, part, here?
Yes, it's part, yes.
Okay, this is one option, okay, this would be a good option. Select it and go on top and press escape. Now if I asked you the layer of this, select it, you would see dimension layer. Look at this, is called good naming. Dimensions on dimension layer. Part on part layer. This is called, let's say, center line on center hidden layer. Just get name hidden.
Yes.
This is called very good nomenclature, good practice. John does means he will do it, isn't it? He uses good practice. Anyway, listen. Now my random question is, I think now you got the picture. Okay, one method would be select this and see here. Okay, other option is just keep your mouse like this. Okay, you will see what is written there. Can you see what is written on the near the mouse? layer dimension. I have not selected, I just kept my mouse here and kept for some time. Layer dimension, can you see it?
Yes, yes.
If I just keep my mouse here, keep it for some time, he would say layer part. Okay, if you don't want that also, there is another option, double click the object. He would give you the story here. Double click an object. Like example this, double click. He say layer is part. If I say dimension, okay, because this is a dimension, let me click arrow. I'm still going for this dimension. We learn dimensions, okay? Okay, I think best option would, or click once, come to properties palette. My go-to option is properties palette. Always I do this. I select an object, go to properties palette, he will tell layer. Because properties palette have every dimension, everything, no? Full history.
Yes, yes.
Your friend properties palette, control 1.
Yes.
Isn't it? I think you know that. Okay, listen. Now what I would do is, now listen, now this is your homework, not homework. This is your, let's say, test or something. Let's say advertisement break. Okay, listen, what I want you to do is, okay, I just want to, in this this drawing, I just want to see only part objects, that's it. You understand?
Only part objects.
Yeah, I don't want you to close the object. The object is kept, let it be like this, okay. I just want to see part, all the objects which is on the parts layer. Other all I want to see off. How would you do it?
I will try.
Try, yeah, you're learning, you will try, sure. Go to, okay, first make sure parts is on. Is it on? I want to see it, I don't want to off it. If it is blue, it is off. Now it is on. Okay. One option would be, you know, one by one you'll off, isn't it? If I have 100 layers, you do this, you can do it, isn't it? And now 1 minute, okay, what you do is double click. You say, John, only part layer. This is called clean shaped, isn't it?
Okay.
This is good what you did. You did the job excellent. Seriously good. Very good. Okay, really, you did the job excellent. I'm happy with it. Okay, but really, I'm not. This is good and bad. Bad part is you did one by one. You know, you did one by one like this. Let's suppose I had 20 layers. Then you do one by one. No. What you would do is, listen. What you would do is something like this. Okay, let's close this. You would open the layer properties, isn't it? That time it was on layer 0 when you clicked it, isn't it?
Okay.
What I would do is, first thing I would click this name which I want to keep on. Click, see, now it became green color.
Yes.
Isn't it? Okay. Then what I do is a right click, invert selection. I taught you this, isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes.
And click one of the bulb. Halas.
Okay, got it.
Okay, can you do it? Let me, I keep it, do it again. I want you to do it. Let me just close this and I want you to do it from beginning. So, you know, you are become master in this. Yeah, go ahead. First click the layer which you want to on. Let's suppose, okay, let's change the question. Don't want parts. Keep it center line. The center line, the green one, yeah. Click the center, yeah, the second one, yeah. Click that. Double click. Good. Now you see it became green.
Yes.
Okay. I need only center line on, other all I want off.
There is invert selection.
Listen, what you have done is slightly move, press escape once. Press escape. Yeah. Now you do invert selection. Very good. Okay, then off the bulb. Good?
Yes.
Okay.
It is good to do mistakes. I learned that.
Yes.
I have to select that.
But I think you got that. That's why I told you, you do it. If I keep doing it, no, there's no practical example, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Okay, is this clear?
Yes, yes, it is.
Okay, I'm going to teach you one more trick in layers and then we move forward to from layers, okay? Okay, listen, let's suppose, okay, let's keep this for the last part, the named views. Listen, actually this is an AutoDesk certified, the one which I'm going to, this one, okay, the name views. Okay, this is one of the first kicks whenever you write an exam. The old exam, new exam no, but the old exam. Okay, if you, this was like, many students could not do this question. I will teach you this. The name view. It is like about, like, if you can't do this, you can't pass the exam. This, every question had this, the old exam, new exam doesn't have that question, but old exam had. Anyway, listen. When I come to that, this is called trailer. When I come to that, I will give you the movie. Okay, listen. Now, okay, let me give you one story. Okay. Can you see, you remember this drawing? We did offset and what, not offset, mirror and whatever, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to teach you something called as layer walk. Lay walk. Actually, it's called layer walk, but when you type, you would say lay walk. What does layer walk means? It the name, as the name says, lay walk, L-A-Y, lay walk. What does it do? What does it do? It will give you a cycle between options. Let's suppose, see what all objects are on that layer. See, windows, shelf, plumbing, lighting. You understand?
Yes.
This will help me to see which all, example, see, this is all has to be doors, good. This is electronic, good. This is furniture, good. This is wall,
Yes,
good.
I understood that concept because in the name itself it advertises
Exactly.
functionality.
Exactly. For example, let's suppose, just give me an example, okay. Now this is a plumbing layer, isn't it? Plumbing. Let's suppose by mistake I made these two objects under plumbing layer. This can happen. Where is my properties palette? Control 1. Okay, this I made as layer, change the name to plumbing. Okay, this is called stupidity, but I did it by mistake. It can happen.
Yes.
Okay, actually this is that, near the bed, the, what is the teapot with the lamp on top of it. Okay.
Yes.
But when,
tables.
yeah, small table, isn't it? Next to the bed, where we keep mobile and whatever. We do not want to move forward. What we will keep on it. Listen, isn't it? With me? Okay. So what happened? Okay. Now let's suppose I have this complex drawing. This is not very complex, but let's assume this is a complex drawing. Okay. And I want to know if everything what I did was correct or not correct. Correct or not correct means I want to see if every object is on its own layer. Correct layer I have done. Now what I do is I put lay walk, L-A, lay walk, L-A-Y, walk. Okay, and I press enter. And each drawing, this all looks like door, doesn't have any comments. This looks electronics, good. Furniture looks good. This looks good. You see, this is not plumbing.
Yes.
It will allow me to catch the fault. Isn't it? Any comments?
Yes, it is.
Okay, what we can do is, what I want you to do is, I want you to do layer walks on this. I won't say lay walk everything, but just have a look at it. I want you to type lay walk and just have a look at it.
Okay.
What do you say? Not lay, full, L-A walk, full walk. Spelling I've written on the, yeah, very good. Okay, so you click once and you will see which all objects are on that layer. See, isn't it? Layer 0, only this object, layer, isn't it? This is like layer walk. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you have keep on, isn't it? For example, okay, I show you one more trick. Okay, if I want to see a couple of layers, I press shift key. So these all layers they will represent. I select one and I look and select other, pressing shift. I am not leaving shift. It will show what all layers are on these layers, what all objects are on these layers. I think this is called normal Windows practice, isn't it? Okay, I think this is clear. Okay, and I think this is isolation is clear. Okay, listen, let's I think you know how to add select, no?
Yes.
Remove from selection, add selection. Okay, listen, now what we'll do is we will learn blocks. Okay, layer filter, layer walks, same thing. Okay, listen, let's move forward. Okay, now for me important. Okay, listen, you know what's the meaning of a block? Building block.
I know, but there is multiple meanings.
Exactly, yeah. Building blocks, isn't it? House blocks. Many blocks are there. Everything block they use, isn't it? Road block.
Yes.
isn't it? Everything make block.
Yes.
Right? I'll tell you what's the meaning of block. Okay, listen. What does it mean by block? Actually, listen. What I have taught you now in the concept of layer was just for what you need on day-to-day basis. Okay, this is what I taught you. There are many things to be taught. Make layer, whatever. When we do printing also. Okay, but anyway, let's move forward.
Okay.
Actually, this what I thought you was like what you need. For example, when you learn Excel, you do not learn every command, but you need to know what is really everyday use.
Yes.
Okay, let's move forward. A block. Listen. Now let's suppose, okay, can you see this toilet? Okay, I'd not like to start with this example, but I think this is the best example. Listen.
Okay, sure.
Okay, this is a toilet, isn't it? We're talking about blocks, isn't it? Good. This one. Okay. Masterpiece. Listen. Okay, listen. Now let's suppose I ask you, okay, I asked you, I want you to create one more, let's suppose, I'm just giving you an example. Where will this guy go, Where will this guy go? Okay, this guy would be actually, end of the day, he will come here.
Okay.
Like this he will come. You have to draw it correctly, okay? So, but hand drawing. Anyway, okay? So what you would do is, first, listen, how to create block, okay? Procedure to create block. This is called John Alien procedure to create block. Do this procedure, forget block, okay? Actually, blocks are very, very, very easy, okay? Many people fear blocks, okay? Many people, okay? But I'm going to teach you some procedure and you say, John, really blocks is a piece of cake. Okay, I think AutoCAD is piece of cake, but for time being, let's consider blocks piece of cake. Okay, listen. What I'm saying, procedure for blocks. Okay, block means here. Okay, listen. Block, this one. This is block.
Yes.
Okay, listen. First thing, rule number 1. Okay, you never forget this rule. Rule number 1. Remember, always whenever you're going to create, we're going to procedure for block creation. Okay, creation means how to create a block. Okay, rule number 1, make sure layer 0 is on and current layer. That means what? Can you see layer 0 here?
Yes.
You have to see layer 0 there. Bus. Okay, this is rule number 1. Make sure layer 0, make sure layer 0 is on and it is current layer. Any comments?
No.
Okay, second thing, can you see this arrow here? Block under. What I do is I just rub this 1 second. Say this. Can you see this block? Or listen, not that. Better you click directly this. Okay, click. Can you see insert?
Yes.
Just because what happened every year there is new versions and new. 1 second. Yeah. I'm sorry. Listen. Click this. This one. Can you see this one? First one. This one. If you want to change the color. This one. Click this. Second is click that. Okay. Click create block.
Okay.
New. Okay. Just click this. Okay. Is this clear? This is called block definition. Any comments?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So what you would do is, now they ask me, give me a cell. I think let me just 1 minute. Okay. Just keep cancel and I keep this here so you can see what we are drawing. I said click here. You get this. Okay. First thing is you name this. What you name this? Name it. Don't say name 0001. Name it some useful name. Let's say toilet. Isn't it? Toilet chair. Isn't it? Okay, clear? So listen, I tell you how you move forward in this block. Okay, first you go like this, then go like this, then go like that. Means fill this much, and then fill like this. This is called procedure. And then you come here.
Okay.
You will understand when I show you. Okay, so first you click this came, then fill this, then keep going like this. Okay, listen. Let me just rub this. Okay, listen. Toilet chair is done. Okay, now click pick a point. Can you see here? Pick a point. Here, this one.
Yes, I can.
Click this. Okay, if you click this, you not come down. Pick a point. That means what? When I insert this block where it want, I think better to keep it in a corner, isn't it? One corner. So that means what? When I select this object, I will be selecting from this corner. You can select anywhere. You want here, you want here. I generally like to keep it on a corner. You will understand when I move forward. Okay? With me? Okay. Then this is not required. This is all okay. Because I click here, this is inches, good. Come back. Okay. Click select object. Can you see the select object? This one.
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Yes.
Click select object. You see here, you cannot see anything. Okay. When I click select object, it will come here and ask you which object I want this. Okay. And press enter. Can you see this block has come here? Photo has come.
Yes.
Okay. Then you have three options. Okay. One is retain. Just write it here. You have three options. One is retain. I will explain what is what. Okay. One is convert to block. And one is delete. Okay. Generally, 99% you generally right click to convert to block. Sometimes you click to delete. Sometimes you click to delete, retain. 90% you do this. Okay. What does it mean? I'll tell you. Okay. You click convert to block and say OK. But that's it. That means when I click this, it became one block. See this? And where I select here, I can move the object from that point. Do you want me to explain again? Better. Better, yeah. Listen, can you see this object? This is made up of different lines, isn't it? Look at this, isn't it? With me?
Yes, I am.
Yeah? Okay, so what's the first procedure? Make sure layer 0 is current. It is layer 0 is current, isn't it? Layer 0. Then click this create block. Click that. Okay, and then click, let's say toilet. Name, write the name. Toilet, chair, chairs, chair. Okay, correct spelling. Any comments? Click this. Click this insertion pick point. Click anywhere. You like to click here, click. You like to click here, click. Click here. Okay, you want to click here. I think always better to keep a corner. Click this point. After that, click this, select the object. Select the objects. Press enter. Okay, you would see this figure. And then click convert to block and say OK. Any comments? That's it. You have your block ready. Okay, is this clear? I think what you do is now you create the block and then we move forward. I will just rub some of my work so you do not get confused anywhere. And that's the story. Yeah. Go ahead. I want you to create a block. I did this procedure for creation of a block. Go ahead.
Okay.
How would you first make sure layer 0 is... No, slowly. You like to click, okay, block, B block. Okay, good.
Then I will select this one.
Now first write the name. Alien chair. No, write a good name, okay? Don't, because alien is not what you mean to say. The alien is a toilet chair. I recommend generally keep it on a corner, not on the center.
Okay.
Yeah, click, yeah, good.
Okay.
Okay, then click that, select object. Good.
Okay.
Select these objects completely, not one by one, everything. Green selection, whichever selection. Good. Good. I think you missed something down.
Yes.
Okay, select again, no problem. Without pressing escape, keep selecting. Okay. Okay. Okay, good.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, good. Clear?
Okay, got it. Yes, yes.
Okay, isn't it? I hope this much is okay. What would you do if I want this object to be here? Let me make it easy for you. Okay, I want this chair which is here. Okay, actually generally chair will never be exactly at the corner, but for time being let it be at this distance. Okay, I want this chair to be here. One more chair I want to create there. What would you do?
First, copy.
Yeah, copy it. That's what I want to ask you.
Okay.
Good.
Then move.
Yeah, press enter first. Okay. Why move?
Sorry.
Press escape and do it again. Press enter, just press enter. Press enter once. Okay, press enter once. Good. Now you can select a point where you want to keep fixed.
Okay.
Okay, click once and move where you want to move next point. Yeah. Okay, done.
Yes.
Thing is not what has happened is you selected the wrong point. Listen, I tell you what you did. Listen. Okay, I'll show you what you did. Okay, let me show you what you did. Oh, sorry, I think I rubbed it first. No, I rubbed it. Okay, anyway. Okay, I'll show you what you did mistake. Okay, listen. Instead of, I'll show you what to do. Okay, listen. What I do is first I zoom the object. Okay, select the object first. This is a block. Select the object. Click copy, type copy, whatever you want to copy. CO copy. Yalla, copy. Done. Enter. Select this point. See what you did. You did not zoom. Zoom here. Correctly select this corner.
Okay.
And then keep playing. You know where I want to click. Isn't it? The chair was perfectly, isn't it?
Yes.
Anyway, I hope so far you understood something. I hope you enjoyed today's class. I think we'll have to wind up for today's class. Anyway.
Yes.